Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So I have some spicy news for you guys today, and this time it's from AMD 9950X CPU but with ASUS ROG Crosshair new X870E Hero motherboard. Before covering this news, I would like to tell you guys that the old record holder for overclocking AMD Ryzen 9 9950X and Ryzen 9 9900X was MSI using their Mega X670ES motherboard, and they tested two chips R9 9950X and Ryzen 9 9900X. VR9950X overclocked up to 7.45 GHz with multiplier was set to X74.47 and core voltage was set to 1.625 volt. And if you talk about the Ryzen 9 9900X overclocked up to 7.4 GHz with core voltage of 1.844 volts and multiplier set to X74.03, and both of these tests were done using the LN2 of course, but now the record is broken by ASUS using their new X870E Hero motherboard and overclocking the R9 9950X up to 7.5 GHz, and they performed some tests to see the stability of CPU. Without a doubt, AMD did complete all the tests thrown at it, but before we see the test results, let me tell you some setups they used to test this. So they used the ASUS ROG Hero motherboard, which features the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X cooled by the liquid nitrogen 2, and overclocking purposes they disabled the multi-threading, but all 16 cores on the 9950X were enabled and tuned to an X75 multiplier with a voltage of 1.025 volt with the phenomenal speed of 7.55 gigahertz. Now guys, I'm little confused here because I remember that MSI used 1.625 volt for 9950X and 1.844 volt for 9900X, but here as you can see they use the voltage of 1.025 volt to achieve not greater but with good precision higher speed for AMD Ryzen. I'm not sure about the MSI whether they disable the multi-threading or not, and if you guys have any idea, please do share your thoughts in the comment section. But anyways, it's good to know that AMD chips are doing well. And if we discuss the result performed by the SAFEDISK and Elmor, so in the Geekbench 3 multi-core score, the processor performed 170,646 points. In 7-zip 321,970 points. In Cinebench R20 23,550, in Cinebench R23 60,798, and in HWBot X265 benchmark 4K 77.57 FPS. Now guys, these are some impressive numbers, but of course we are waiting for Intel to come out, and then the real show will begin, and we can see who is who and what is what and who is performing greater than the other, or which chip is efficient than the other, and which one is performing overall, which one is good for multi-threaded task or for workload. So we can wait for a month for the Intel CPUs to come out, and we can settle these two bad boys. And the ASUS X870E and X870 motherboards along with design from other manufacturers are now available for sale at various retailers, but these motherboards bring phenomenal upgrades and new design which are going to entice users into buying a new motherboard or shift to AM5 from their existing setup such as M4 series. And we can expect even more motherboard vendors to demo the pros of their respective flagship motherboard in the coming days. But guys, I'm really impressed by the 9950X. Actually, I want to buy one, but I don't have enough budget. But in future, if I have enough budget, I will go with AMD. But I also do not want to haste things up, and I want to check the Intel, if Intel is more suitable for my workload or AMD. After comparing those two, then I will go with AMD, and whether to decide go with AMD or Intel. But rather than that, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.